Madhya Pradesh is a land of royalty. Some of India's greatest dynasties like the Scindias and Holkars have held court here. While the kings, queens, nawabs and begums have gone, you can still get a glimpse of the kind of luxury that they lived in at these amazing hotels. The Jahanama Palace in Bhopal, the Sheesh Mahal Resort in Orchha, and the Usha Kiran Palace in Gwalior. So let's start with Bhopal's stunning Jahanama Palace.
There are not too many hotels in Bhopal that have something as unique and something as beautiful to offer as this particular hotel. General Ubaidullah Khan was the last commander-in-chief of the Bhopal State Army or the Bhopal State Force. His two grandsons are the ones who started this hotel in 1982. 16th of September 1983 is when the hotel formally opened for the first time. The entire hotel is spread out over 7 acres. We've got 99 rooms, which include 6 lovely suites that we have. We've got 6 restaurants, including 2 bars, and each restaurant is designed such that it caters to the unique need of every traveler that might come into Bhopal. Starting with Cafecino, you've got a cafe which is, pocket friendly and aimed towards a typical college crowd. Also somebody who's wanting to come in for a quick bite with a tea, coffee. Then we've got La Cucina, open for lunch and dinner, a specialty Italian restaurant. We've got Shahnama. Anyone wanting to get a real taste of the kind of wide variety of food that we have in Bhopal, Shahnama is the place. Under the mango tree is authentic food of Bhopal or of this region, which is served only at dinner. And we again have 2 bars. Tatanum Corner, which is upstairs, is the most vibrant and the most happening bar in the city on a weekend. And the bar in the lobby, which is the Shergar, is the quiet bar, more like a gentleman's bar, serving single malts and cigars.
I love about this place is their Nawab culture. Like there are more heritage hotels in this city, but this is the hotel that keeps it alive. They have their secret family recipes in the hotels. So you feel that royal treatment here when you come here.
Royal ambience of the resort is fantastic. The staff is extremely professional, extremely helpful. Food is fantastic, so we just love it.
Food that we serve in the hotel, in the restaurants, is actually food that has been passed down over generations in the by the owning family. So even today we have the chefs who are sent for training to the Koti. The Koti is where our owners live. They go there, they learn the traditional recipes, and then that is what they kind of reproduce over here. A lot of the artifacts that you see around the hotel, be it the swords behind the reception or the restaurant or the pictures in the corridor walls, they are all part of the family's personal collection. There is a dedicated horse track, so you might be sitting in your room enjoying your cup of tea or coffee early morning, and you'll have this nice horse trotting around. The Telegraph UK in 2016 voted us as amongst the top 15 palace hotels of the world. The entire hotel is an oasis of peace, and that is what makes this place something really where you want to keep coming back to.
Jahanama Palace is the perfect destination for a leisurely holiday. But there are more royal experiences to be had in Madhya Pradesh. Next stop, the incredible Sheesh Mahal in Orchha.
ये महल लगभग 400 साल पुराना है। इसे बुंदेला राजाओं ने बनाया था। बेसिकली यह उदित सिंह महाराजा ऑफ ओरछा का रेजिडेंस था। फिर उसे PWD द्वारा लिया गया। फिर मध्य प्रदेश पर्यटन ने इस महल के एक हिस्से को एक रिजॉर्ट में डेवलप कर दिया है। इसका नाम शीश महल इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ मोज़ाइक स्टाइल्स लगे हुए हैं जो उस ज़माने में एज ए मिरर ग्लो करते थे, जिसके कारण इसका नाम शीश महल पड़ गया। इस रिजॉर्ट की सबसे बड़ी खासियत यह है कि आप यहाँ पे वो फील जो राजा महाराजा एक्सपीरियंस करते थे उसे आप यहाँ पे फील कर सकते हैं। इसमें कुछ भी बदलाव नहीं लाया गया है, सिर्फ कुछ मॉडर्न एमिनिटीज़ ऐड ऑन कर दिए गए हैं, जिसके कारण आप पुराने रॉयल्टी को के साथ मॉडर्न एमिनिटीज़ को भी इंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इस रिजॉर्ट में कुल 8 रूम हैं, जिसमें से 2 बहुत ही खास रूम हैं, एक महाराजा एक महारानी स्वीट। इसमें 400 साल पहले यहाँ के महाराजा और महारानी रहा करते थे। इन रूमों से पूरे ओरछा का व्यू मिलता है।
What news do you bring from Kalinja? I hope my friend Kirit Shah is well and happy.
हम यहाँ पे लाइट एंड साउंड शो भी ऑर्गेनाइज करवाते हैं। ओरछा की सारी पूरी हिस्ट्री के बारे में बताते हैं। रिवर राफ्टिंग करवाते हैं। बाइसिकल ऑन रेंट भी देते हैं, जिससे लोग फॉरेस्ट में जाकर विजिट कर सकते हैं और पूरे ओरछा को घूम सकते हैं। अगर आप भोजन के बारे में बात करें तो यहाँ का कोई पर्टिकुलर कुजीन नहीं है। यहाँ के कुजीन बगल के राज्यों से इफेक्ट हुए हैं। एक मेन्यू तैयार किया गया जिसमें बुंदेलखंडी चिकन करी आती है, दाल बाटी आती है, बैगन भरता आता है, चूरमा का लड्डू आता है, राइस एंड करी आती है। इन खानों को हम बुंदेली कुजीन बोलते हैं।
And while you stay at the Sheesh Mahal, make sure you take out time to see the many wonders of this beautiful city.
अगर आप ओरछा को देखते हैं तो इट इज़ ए कम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ टूरिस्ट एक्टिविटीज़। टूरिस्ट कैन एंजॉय इस टाइप ऑफ टूरिज्म एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक एडवेंचर, फॉरेस्ट विजिट, pilgrimage and many more. And the most important thing is it is zero polluted area.
And now it's time to visit the Taj Usha Kiran Palace in Gwalior.
Originally, this palace was built in 1880 by Jayaji Rao Scindia, but later on in 1905, it was renovated for a royal visit by the Prince and Princess of Wales. At that time, Madhav Rao Ji Scindia was the ruler for Gwalior. And it's a 135-year-old palace. This is currently, it's a 40-room hotel which is run by Taj. We've tried to maintain everything in the way it was in the olden days. So when a regular guest comes in, he gets a bit of old world charm along with the modern facilities of the resort. We've tried to maintain the heritage aspect of it in many places. If you see, we've got a lot of sandstone work that has been untouched over the years. And the eastern facing wall has got a full filigree work, that's sandstone carving work. We have the Jiva Spa in-house, which was the first Jiva Spa which brought the brand Jiva to India. Our signature treatment is called the Mangal Snan, and the beauty of this treatment is that while you are undergoing your spa treatment, there is live music that's being played from behind a filigree screen. For dining, we have the Silver Saloon, which is an all-day dining restaurant. It caters to a variety of cuisines, but we try to focus on the Nepalese Maratha cuisine, which is brought over from the Jaivilas Palace. Another interesting aspect of this hotel is that Maharani Priyadarshini Rajya Scindia herself has designed some of these rooms. She has brought her own personal touches into them. Ours is one of the luckiest hotels because we have not one, not two, but 3 temples on site. One of which, the Lord Ganesha temple, which is the grandest of the 3. Every evening we have a special puja, which is presided over by our in-house Pandit. Gwalior is known as the land of Rajputs, and it has a lot of heritage and royalty associated with it. If you want to experience this true royalty, Usha Kiran Palace is the place to be.
So pick one of these heritage resorts to have an unforgettable vacation. Trust me, the serenity, the royal food and the whole Shahi experience will make you want to come back to Madhya Pradesh again and again.